So let's start the fourth part. In fourth part, we will do some activities as let's start the command prompt. This is the node basic folder which I have told you. It is a repository over there over GitHub. So you can also clone that. Let's start with the code dot. It will open the whole directory into code. And if I will show you the code. This is the same code which I have shown you in my slides. It is required HTTP FS URL and then the create server request response cycle. Then we are basically extracting the use request.url, and if we are checking the URL and subtracting the same thing which I have explained before. So let's start this. If I run this project like nodes space html.js file, you can download that from your GitHub repository also. If I run the project, it will show me the server running as 127.0. Just click on this. It will open in browser. By default, because I have called slash is not available, so it has responded in the way HTTP 404. If I go to my basically code, you can see it has written that slash received request for slash received, and it is not available, so it has provided me the error. For example, if I see in my code what the files are, which files are available, like a.html is available, it contains hello world, and abc.txt is available. That is a text file. You can see it is of type text, but it contains the html. I will show you the both. Like if I will call a.html, it will show the hello world. The title is hello and it is showing me the hello world. So a.html is available. If I will say the abc.txt, if I will call this, it is not showing me the text information. It is showing me basically html information. It is a title sorry, it is an h1 tag which is it's rushed here. You can see in the code it's rushed here. It is h1 tag, so it is converting it into basically html. How it is converting into html? You will go back to your html dot the file which we have run this html, and you can see the MIME type here. We are sending the html MIME type. So either the extension is .text, but that does not means it is a text. It means we are converting it into html for 404 also and for 200 also. So alternatively we are responding with back with html. So this is how we can respond to the server, to the request, and provide a static page to the end user. So we have seen, we have run the server, and we have called different like if I call abc.html, as it is not a file available, so 404 error will come, http error 404. And you can see all these information here, that slash abc.text was called, slash abc.html received, and that file is not available. That is why it is giving you the error. So alternatively you can see all the information here, that what has been called, like in this case a.html received. And you can see all the log information which we have, from where these information is coming, because we are we are putting here console.log request for path this received. So it is alternatively printing for you that what we received and how we responded. So this was the first part. Second part, we have seen the npm. You can see a package.json file. There should be a package.json file. This is a sample package.json file. You can see a package.json file contains the name of the directory, as it is basically my git repository, so that's why package.json should be there. So Here you can see the name of the project, sorry, the version of the project, description, the main file which will run at the start, and the scripts, like for example test. If I want to test my project, so this is the specific command for test, and same the repository, author, and etc., whatever information I want to give. So this is a sample package.json file. We will create a sample package.json file. uh, I have created a test here. Let's go into this cmd. First of all, we will run a command npm init. It will ask you some questions. Package name test. I say test. Okay. Then sorry, it should be uh, lowercase. So the version 1.0.0. If I click yes, it will add this thing. For example, I just entered, so it will add 1.0.0. Description, this is a test description. Entry point, index.js, test command, um, leave it, git repository, leave it, keywords, leave it, author, Muhammad Rashid Mukhtar. License, universal, yes. So I have created a package.json file. You can see there is a package.json file. If I open it into code, you can see this package.json file. It contains all the information which I need to install. Now what I will do, I will install one software there. For example, I will install npm install color. So it will download from the internet the files it needs to be installed. So it has installed the color. Let's see. You can see it has updated the package.json file. It contains now one dependency, that is a color, and it also provided the current version. It is 3.1.2. So automatically the dependency has been installed into my package.json file. Now I will go to the folder. You can see it has created a node underscore module folder. You will go into this folder and you will see there is a color, color convert, color name, and etc. It has added number of folders into it. You you can go through these folders. It folder contains index file, package.json, its own files, and etc. So same, you can add more projects into it. And you have seen npm init. By doing this, we have created a package.json file. You have seen npm install some specific package. It has updated the package.json file. You have seen the node modules, that how it has been automatically created, and how all the information that is available has been created. The next step in our project was global and local changing path package.json and npm install. If I want to install this project into some other uh, directory, what I will do, I will just copy this information. Like I will go to and create another folder, that is test2. And in test2 I have created this package.json file. Now in this package.json file, let's start the command prompt, and I will do npm install. What it will do, it will read package.json file and install. And you can see it has created the node modules, and same the color has been installed. So this is the way out with which you can download any code from the internet, from the repository, and make it run. So simply a simple command, npm install. Npm install will install all the dependencies. Npm same search um, kmean, for example. So it is showing me different possible k-mean clustering. And this is another package, and you can see different package names. and if any of the package name you like for example kmean, so you can see its details, etc. For example, I will search npm um, express docs. So sorry, npm docs express. So it will open the index page of this express module, and you can see all the documentation about this express module. So this is a way out to get the help from the internet about a specific module, that how it works, how you can include into your project, etc., 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 etc. So these are the information that was explained into your project in your lecture. So hopefully I have included everything. If anything missing, I can explain it. Uninstall is simply you can write npm uninstall colors, so it will uninstall the color, and update is I have shown you in last class. So that's all from the today's lectures. Inshallah, meet you in next lecture. Thank you very much.